Okay guys, I hope you love my rap, and don't forget to like and subscribe and double tap the link and go to share and go to copy link and you will have a cool magic. Okay, let's start! Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, huwag ka mangloko para di ka iwan. Okay, so did you hear that right? I'm from Filipino, and if you don't like and sub, this is your one more chance. Now like and sub to me and go to your mom to like that. Okay, let's go. Ako'y pinagpalit, pero di yan masakit. Alam mo yung masakit? Ang pangit ng kabit. So, okay, that is the second one. So, this is the last one. Please like, okay, and share. And if you go to the copy link, incredible magic. Okay, the last one. Sara, inggitera. Huwag ka mang agaw, maghanap ka ng iba. Okay guys, thank you very so much and I will see you again tomorrow.